Whoa, hope you're all doing good today. Well, I wanted to try something new today. I've seen a lot of these on different YouTube videos and stuff, and so I thought I'd try it myself. Just to see what it's like to get one of these. This is the BattlBox. So let's get into it, see what's in there. Anyway, if you don't know what BattlBox is, it's a monthly subscription box. This costed me $30. Don't know what's in it. Did not re-up. I'm not going to be getting this every month. I just wanted to get one of them, check it out, see what they send me. So let's get into it and see what all's in here. Now they have different levels of BattlBox. This is the basic. There's a basic, and there's a card. There should be a card in here telling us what all is in here. So let's pull this card out first. Okay, this is the basic, and it supposedly has a $61.92 value. And the very first thing they show on here, we've already got. So we'll probably be an airbag. And it is the K-Bar Spork. Now I won't take this all out because I did a full review on the Spork. In fact, I'll put it up here in one of the cards. Okay. By the way, this is mission 51. We have a solvent for clean your guns, and I guess you could spray it on your knife if you got some sticky stuff on there. Now, I have seen this in one of their other reviews, and you know, most solvents have a really bad smell. Supposedly this doesn't have much of a smell, and it's supposed to be really good. So let's see, next thing is eat your coffee. Okay, it's 2 snack bars, caffeine snack bars. Alright, and they're both the same kind. They're caffeinated snack bar, Bougie Mocha Latte. Well, let's open one of them up and see what it looks like. It kind of looks like a brownie. You can see that good. Put this down like you can't see a shadow. It looks like a brownie. Soft. Not bad. Let's see. Oh gosh. I can't read that small print, so I'm sorry. Let's see if we can see the nutritional. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 1.5, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 110 milligrams, total carbs 25, fiber 4 grams, total sugars 12 grams, 6 protein. Doesn't taste bad. Doesn't taste bad at all. Tastes like it has, I wish I could read this, but I'm sorry people, I just can't see that small print. But it kind of tastes like it has coconut and some kind of a fruit. It has a fruity flavor. Anyway, And that was the third item. The fourth item, Lord and Field. It's a folding knife. So, oh, okay, let me go back here. The spork is a $7.99 value. You might be able to get these cheaper somewhere else. I think I get it cheaper on Amazon, but the cleaner is $8.95 and the bars are $4.99. Okay, let's check out what kind of folding knife we got here. Comes in a nice little container. Comes in this paper. They always wrap, I don't know if you've gotten many knives, but they usually like wrapping it in this type of a waxed paper, and it has a little bit of oil on the knife to keep it nice and clean. Oh, that's a nice looking knife. It's got a denim micarta folding knife. So it's got kind of a denim. It's got kind of a denim look on here, and it's got a. Oh, the lock didn't go over. Well, don't trust the lock on this because it's not locking at all. It does have a lock there, but it's just not working at all. Well, that's not very good. I can't even push the lock over to make it lock, so definitely not very good there. We'll have to see what the holdup is on that lock. But yeah, don't count on the lock on this. Let's see, I don't have a piece of paper over here. Well, got an envelope. Let me rip off a little bit of this envelope and see how sharp this knife is. Yeah, it's nice and sharp. But I would definitely, if you get one of these, you might have to do a little bit of work on that lock because it's not going over at all to lock it. We'll have to work on that. Anyway, this was the basic, and this is mission 51. And then it gives you information about all the things that are in this. For $30, it's a nice looking knife. Let's see. Lord and Field. It's not even marked on here what kind of steel this is or anything. So, I don't know. Anyway, this was my first and possibly only. I might get another one, you know, down the road sometime. With the holidays coming up and kids and grandkids, I won't have much money to play around with. So, anyway, they're saying the total value of this is $61.92. They're saying this knife alone is worth $40. So, I don't know. It's a nice knife. It's definitely got a sharp blade, but that lock with it not working at all, I don't know. I definitely wouldn't trust the lock because, like I said, the one on here is not working at all. There's no lock to it at all. If it's even supposed to be a lock, I don't know. I'm sure it is, but not doing anything. So, I don't see $40 in that knife, I'm sorry. Maybe 15. Let's see, these things here, $4.99. You know, I'd have to look and see. Use by date. Well, shoot, use by date's next month. So, I don't know what to tell you on those. Tastes good though. I'm definitely gonna eat one of these. Everybody knows I like my coffee. I always got my coffee cup sitting right here. The solvent, $8.95. I'm not sure. I don't buy it, so I wouldn't know anything about that. And the spork, like I said, I know, I'm almost positive you can pick this up for, I think it's like $6. So their price is, I think, about $2 high for this. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I'll put the video for this up here, and you can go check that out. And I'll put a link for BattlBox in case you want to go to their website and take a look at what they have to offer down there. So the knife, I'm gonna probably loosen up the screw at this one end. And matter of fact, you know what? Let me see if I can find my little tool. I'm gonna cut the video away for a second, and I'll be right back and see if we can get this lock to work. Because if I can get this lock to work, that makes all the difference in the world. So we'll be right back. Okay, well, what I found out is I guess this knife has to be worked in a little bit. Because if you snap it out good, then it locks. So I guess well, it's locking now, so I guess it just needs to be worked in a little bit. If you snap it out, that lock goes way over there. I don't know if you can see that or not on there. And it locks it in really good. I'm gonna have to give this an A+, I guess. I do like the denim micarta scales on it. Gives it a nice look. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go down, click the subscribe button. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think about this. If you want to see us do more unboxings like BattlBox, let me know. There's a couple other companies I want to check out. Excuse me. And but if you like the unboxing videos, please let me know down below. I got a couple more things over here to unbox, and so if you like this, please just let me know, and we'll try some of the other ones. I know there's like about 4 different companies that do these type of mystery boxes. What's kind of fun about them is when you get them, it's like Christmas. You just don't ever know what you're gonna get inside. Now the values, I don't know. You know, like I said, this is the first one I've ever gotten. So we'll have to go from there. And I got another video coming up about the My Patriot supply. If you saw my last video, I wasn't very happy with them. Well, they reached out to me, and we'll be making another video. It'll be kind of my experience with BattlBox revisited. Or not BattlBox, excuse me. With my Patriot supply revisited. This is BattlBox. Now I also noticed that the blade sits nice and even throughout there. That's a good sign. I do kind of like this knife. Of course, I like this one. And this one, if you've seen my videos, is not an expensive knife. It's not a flipper. You can't just go like that. You have to actually give it some force to get it out. And it's done me really good. I really like this knife, and it's not an expensive one. It's a Schrade, and I carry this everywhere I go. I really like this. It's got a nice, heavy lock. Anyway, I've rabbled long enough. We'll see you in the next video. We got another one coming out probably tomorrow or the next day. Got another package over here from my son I gotta open. So till next time, stay prepared, and let me know below if you've done any of these boxes, let me know what your experience was. What box you did it? Was it BattlBox or Paco box, or there's a few different ones. Let me know in the comments down below, because I do like this because you just never know what you get, and like I said, it's kind of like Christmas when you open it up. So anyway, stay prepared. Have a good day.